In the previous video, we looked at how to set data for each cell in Table View. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create the DetailViewController to display details about photos and whatever we add. UI label shows information about the photos. Let's start creating the DetailViewController. To do this, we need to create a new iOS class as we did before. Set the name as DetailViewController and subclass as UIViewController. Save this in the group of controllers. Remove the commented code inside DetailViewController. Set the new DetailViewController as the controller to handle the view created in the storyboard above. To do this, we select the View Controller scene in the storyboard and use the Identity Inspector panel to set the class name as DetailViewController. All has been set up correctly. Let's add 4 labels in the view to show the number of favorites and the number of likes a photo has. Select Label in the Object Library and drag all 4 here. Put the name for the first 2 as likes and favorites. By making a double click inside each one and setting the name, let's reorder the labels a little and perfect. The first 2 are static just to know what should be the number that will appear next to each one. Now we need to create 2 outlets for each one of the 2 labels, where we are going to show the numbers. Select the DetailViewController scene, show the Assistant Editor, the controller, and let's create the first outlet with the name Number of Likes. The same for the second with the name Number of Favorites. Finally, we need to create another outlet for the image. Let's do it and set the name as Main Image. At last, we're going to set some constraints for new labels. To do that, just select the 4 labels and resolve Auto Layout issue. Mark Add Suggested Constraints, so as to let Xcode put constraints automatically for us. In this case, it's the more easy way. Nevertheless, it is always recommended. It sets the constraints manually. In this video, we created DetailViewController and created some labels. In the next video, we will learn how to pass data from a selected cell to another controller. Good.